What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. It is a beautiful day outside and a beautiful day to tear the front end off of my 240 in the hotel parking lot. Gonna throw our new fenders on and our new pop-ups in, and I need to get this done in a couple of hours before it gets dark. We have our new fenders in here, and I need to take both fenders off. I have to take the bumper off and the headlights out. So let's get right to it. This is gonna be a challenge to see if I can tear the front end of the car apart in less than half an hour. Little break in the time lapse to show you why I'm replacing these fenders. Both of them look like this. They're completely rotted on the bottom and they're both dented and junk. I'm so sorry, guys, my phone had low storage, so the time lapse did not get to the end, but we did that in 20 minutes. Whole front end of the car off. I started at 5:04, I got done at 5:24. We have full missile spec 240 right now. No front end, no front body panels in the hotel parking lot. I don't know if I showed you guys the new fenders, but you can see they are scratched, but they are not dented at all. And they are not rusty either. This one has a little bit of rust, but it is nowhere near as bad as my other ones. So let's go throw them on. I apologize for the time lapse dying again. I don't know what's going on with my phone storage. This is really full. This is a sign that I really need to get a camera. So maybe I'll do that with my paycheck this week and spend some money on making the videos a higher quality versus the car a higher quality. Anyways, we got the fenders on, and I actually took the side skirts off because with the matching door and fender, it actually looks really good without the skirt. I gotta take this black trim off. This kind of looks bad. I think it looks really good without the skirts. So the skirts we're saying bye-bye to. All right, so we got the first pop-up in. It already looks so much better than those crusty black ones. Look at this, guys. Not only does it match the fender, but like, look at how nice and clean it is. They're stable. Even if, I'm not sure if the motors work yet, I'm not gonna test it till I plug both of them in. But even if it does, they're gonna stay steady and open where they're supposed to. This isn't like rattling and moving around. Awesome. All right, so small issue. I thought I was almost done and ready to throw the bumper back on, but I got a nice surprise that I didn't notice before I put the whole headlight assembly in. So you can see down here, this is supposed to have a section at the bottom where I can bolt into that hole. Like if you look at this one, it has a little piece at the bottom that's missing on the other one. So I now have to swap this one for that one. And the only issue is the spot where the motor bolts in on this one has been completely broken and rusted out. So I got the drill out, and we're gonna drill the hole out, and hopefully I can fit a bolt and a nut on the other side. It kind of deflected to the thin on the side, but I think I can make it work. Hopefully, we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, bracket is swapped over. They look pretty sick. Like, I just love it. It looks so good. It looks so good. It's fire, bro. Let's close the hood. See what it looks like with the hood closed. Yo, Yo, why do they... Look how good the fenders fit. There's no big gap anymore. Yo. Look at this. That is so sick. And they look so good too. Sorry, that sounded zesty as hell. I'm just really hyped right now. Now I just gotta throw the bumper back on. Oh, let's see if they pop up. Moment of truth. Do the pop-ups, do the pop-up. All right. Keys are in my pocket. Moment of truth. Oh, I shut the fuel pump off like an idiot. They do not work. The headlights do work. They just don't pop up and down, which it's an improvement because they're solid. And that's something I can work on fixing. Oh, this one's not as solid as the other one. I gotta tighten this one up. Got a lot of play. Here is the final look. I hate this bumper so much. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. It fits awful, it looks awful, it's terrible. If you have OEM bumpers in the New England area, let me know. I think the fenders and the headlights do look very good though. Like, especially now that all this matches, look at the flow. There's some flowage going on here. It's a nice two-tone, you know? Okay, second glance, I actually really like it. I just need to get rid of this bumper. But even with the bumper, it looks so good. Like, they're not dented, they're the right shape. They're a little scratched up, but it looks really good without the skirts too. I'm really digging. TikTok reference, if you know, you know. I'm really digging the way it looks. Look at that. Like, it looks so good. The headlights, actually this right one needs to be brought up a hair, I think. But I can actually adjust that now. Dang. So we are currently on our way to pick up a back bumper for the car. Dude that I follow on Instagram hit me up and he said that he would give it to me for free. So shout out, I'll put his @ right here. I think his company is Precision Auto Works. He has a shop. So if you're in the Concord, New Hampshire area, go check him out. We have secured the loot, guys. First of all,
watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
My GPS is talking to me. Wicked nice guy. It's Cody from Precision Auto Works. I'll add him right here. Yeah, dude had a sick shop. He had an S13 Vert. There was like two R34 GTTs or GTSTs, whatever. There was a Miata Z, I think a BRZ. Overall, shop is dope. He gave me this stuff for free too, which is crazy. Like, I'm so thankful. Like, that's so sick. You're gonna give me free stuff? Like, that's awesome. Wicked nice guy. Probably gonna put this on tomorrow because by the time I get back, it's gonna be dark out. So it will be sitting in my hatch for another day. All right, so this is the bumper, standard hatch bumper. I got this low-key wing and the little roof wing. I'm definitely gonna run the roof wing. I don't know how I feel about the mini wing yet. We'll see. Maybe if it was the right color. I think it'll look good once the bumper's gone and this bumper's on there. But that will be tomorrow because it is getting dark and I am not getting anything else done tonight because I just drove for like 3 hours, so I'm exhausted. I also picked up a shifter bezel on Marketplace. It was like 35 bucks. Dude, another steal. Like, I've been so lucky this week. yeah, I've been insanely lucky with deals and stuff this week. I'm gonna put that on soon. We are back in the hotel parking lot. It is time to install our bumper, and I'm also going to be installing my shifter bezel. It's right there. Should be pretty quick installs, hopefully. Everything goes well, and it will look a hell of a lot better. All right, so this is the before. It looks not terrible from the outside, but when you get up close, this bumper is awful. So it will be gone soon. This is the new bumper, just an OEM John. Let's slap it on there. I think this looks so good, especially with the wheel size I'm at right now. Ignore the front end. But like, this is what a 240 should look like. This fiberglass crap, when it is semi-stock ride height with 240 tails, not 180 tails, and no skirts. Hell yeah. That looks so freaking good. With a little sunset action too. So good. Look at it. Look how mean the exhaust looks. A little bit of grease. I am so beyond happy with how this came out. Next video, you guys will catch the front bumper install, but I'm picking that up Saturday. Today is Thursday. So you guys will catch that in the next one. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Just kidding, I lied. I still have to put the shifter bezel on. Bonus clip. This is what we're looking like before. And just like that, shifter bezel is in. And look at this. Looks so much better than the big hole. This could be better, but it doesn't have an actual mounting bracket, so this is also kind of loose because it also doesn't have mounting screws, but oh well. All right, guys, we're gonna give you a little apartment tour because this place is, I toured it before we signed the lease. I didn't really look that closely, and it's got character. So first, we're gonna start off in the living room. Pretty standard stuff. This couch is it's pretty low. Like if I'm gonna sit on this, it's like I feel like I'm on the floor. But it came with a TV. You know, a nice huge flat screen. This is my roommate's stuff. What's in here? Oh, that's nice. Just a little nook. Yep. There's lots of little nooks here that don't really have a purpose. Yeah, there was a bunch of just like construction materials in there. This place, we got into our dining area. You got this nice little entryway, 3 chairs. We only got 3 roommates, so that works out. My roommate's AC. Here is the first bedroom. Just random mattress on the floor, no bed frame. Nice little dresser. Oh, this one's got a nice closet. What the hell is that? Oh, coat hangers. This high key might be the nicest room. It's got this nice paint. It's nice blue paint. When I show you the other 2 rooms, you will see why I say that. This is what is supposed to be my room. I bought the bed, the dresser, what do you call that, desk, and the chair off the previous resident. The walls are gross. Very gross. Yep. Still gross. Very gross. So yeah, we got this closet that's like at a weird angle, like, yep. That's the closet, guys. Yeah, that's my room. This needs a lot of work. The bathroom, you know, pretty small. You got a toilet, trash can, sink, and a nasty ass bathtub. Look at this shit. Ooh, that's gross. That needs to be cleaned. What else we got? We got a closet. Standard closet. We have another nook. I'm discovering new nooks. Oh, there's paint. Maybe I'll paint my room. Yeah, there's a bunch of paint in here. Mr. Krabs, I have an idea. The kitchen is also very weird. So you have the stove out here. This is like heating, I think. Stove, fridge, countertop, storage. And then you have to walk all the way over here. Random microwave. And then this is the little kitchen area. You got the sink and like, look at these weird shaped cabinets. Like there's this weird like wasted space. Oh, I guess it goes over. But yeah, it's so tight. Like I'm not a huge guy, but like I can touch both elbows with that. So it's not great. Here's the third room, which I will not be living in. It's pretty kind of depressing in here. There's a spot for a bed there. You got your light. Another little nook in there. Old-fashioned dresser. Maybe if you got some light in here, it would be less depressing. No, it didn't really help. Got another closet. Again, pretty, random cardboard, just nobody disposed of. That's nice. And then this is honestly my favorite room. I think I'm gonna put a chair out here. Maybe not, I don't know. It's pretty sick. We have this, the light switch. It's like a little sunroom. And watch these windows. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? It's, as you can see, I'm sweating because it is ridiculously hot in here. I'm gonna leave these open actually, get some air flowing in. Yeah, there's more little nooks. There's an attic. I'm definitely not going up there. So yeah, that's the tour, guys. I'm gonna be living here for the next 2 years, so might as well make the most of it.